In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first stop, open up Instagram app, and then first of all we need just to find a reel we would like to share. Let's say I want to share that one, and all I have to do is just stop right here at that paper airplane icon. After that we need to tap at share to. And then if we would like to share that reel on WhatsApp, we need to find WhatsApp app here. Here it is. If you can't find it in that toolbar, you can tap at more and then search for WhatsApp here. And once you tap at WhatsApp icon, it will open up your contacts book, and then you can check mark those contacts whom you would like to share that reel with, and then tap at next. And also right here you can add some message, some custom message if you want. I'm just gonna tap at send. What that will do, that will send this message to the contacts I have selected. We can go to WhatsApp and check it. As you can see, I have just shared the reel on WhatsApp.